Ngokusho kwabahola umphakathi, lesi sigameko siqale ngengxabano phakathi kwabafundi ababili nokholele ekutheni kusuke izidubedube kwalimala nabanye abafundi.
It then became a raucous. It then ended up with two groupings, coloured learners versus black learners. And that in itself is a concern because this community is a very diverse community.
Kodwa-ke umnyango wezemfundo uthi abukho ubufakazi obuqinisekisa ukuthi lesi sikole sinezigameko zokucwasana ngokobuhlanga.
At this stage, the department is not aware of any substantiated reports indicating ongoing racial tensions at the school.
Abaholi bomphakathi bafuna ukuthi kube nokungenelela kwezinhlaka eziphezulu okubalwa kuzo nekhomishana yamalungelo abantu.
We need to have diversity policies in place, to directly address the diversity we have in our community.
Amaphoyisa athi alikho icala elivuliwe mayelana nalesi sigameko, kodwa-ke asiqaphile isimo.